Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the thermostat on a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Begin by warming the engine briefly, then disconnect the battery, drain the coolant into a clean container, and remove the upper radiator hose to access the thermostat housing. Use proper gloves, keep track of bolts, inspect the new gasket before installation to avoid leaks, torque bolts to spec and refill with correct coolant, then check for leaks. Gather your tools before starting to save time and reduce frustration. You'll need a 10 mm socket, wrench set, pliers, drain pan, new thermostat with gasket, and fresh coolant in the right mix for Hyundai engines. Also have rags, a torque wrench, and safety glasses on hand. Lay everything out in order and double-check the part number so you don't pause midway through the job. This preparation cuts overall time and reduces mistakes. Start by draining enough coolant so the level drops below the thermostat housing, then remove the hose clamp and hose. Unbolt the thermostat housing, note bolt lengths, and carefully lift out the old thermostat and gasket. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly, install the new thermostat oriented correctly, replace the gasket, reassemble, refill coolant to the proper level, burp the system, and verify normal temperature with no leaks. Take pictures during disassembly to help with reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.